Through the twilight I can hear the humming of a melancholy tune. Are the memories that still linger. I thank you, Mr. Moon. And although I've never smiled, winter, summer, autumn too. Now here's one tune to remind me why I feel so blue. Tubas in the moonlight, playing for me all night. Tell me what I want to hear. Am I only dreaming? Am I only scheming? Stars above me, shining brightly. Why can't she be sitting here beside me? Tubas in the moonlight will bring my loved one home. Bum, 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. One more time. Oh, tubas in the moonlight, playing for me all night. Tell me what I want to hear. Am I only dreaming? Am I only scheming? Stars above me, shining brightly. Why can't she be sitting here beside me? Tubas in the moonlight will bring my loved ones home. Oh, tubas in the moonlight will bring my loved ones home. Fun song from 1969 during that kind of new vaudeville movement that was going on with songs like Winchester Cathedral and When I'm 64, the Beatles did some of those tunes that came out of that time period when they were kind of getting vaudevillian. This is one of those by the Bonzo Dog Band. They went by a few different names. One thing I will mention in this right away is I did change a lyric word, and that is, through the twilight I can hear the humming of a melancholy tune. I changed the word to tune. The word there was coon, and I didn't feel comfortable singing that because it's taken on such a racist meaning. And I'm sure it was not intended for that when it was written in 1969. It was made to emulate the old songs. And the word, if you can look it up on Wikipedia, the term coon song started way back in 1840s, and it kind of was derogatory, but just towards rustic people who would have wore a coonskin cap and were unintelligent or uneducated, I'll put it to you that way. Later on, it became a term used in the minstrel song music with blackface painted on white people, and became a racist term towards blacks, and that's why I changed it to an easy change to melancholy tune. I have that described on the bottom of the song sheet, and I would encourage you to look up on Wikipedia about coon songs and historically what they were. Anyway, it made me feel better about singing this song because it's a lovely song, it's a fun song. And it originally was in the key of F, and I made it into the key of D because it fits my vocal range better. If you want to do it in the key of F and actually play along with the band, you can just Google Tubas in the Moonlight. One place in here, it's in the chorus, Tubas in the Moonlight, playing for me all night. That goes from a D to a D minor 6 is what I have. They would have had an F and an F minor. I find the minor 6s many times sounding nicer to my ear, especially on the ukulele. So in here with the Ds, it's Tubas in the moonlight, playing for me all night. It's kind of haunting, where if you compare it to the D minor, Tubas in the moonlight, playing for me all night. Anyway, I like the D minor 6. So if you play a D minor and then put your pinky down on that first string, second fret, it's 2-2-1-2 is what it is, a D minor 6. And it just kind of hauntingly stirs you to want more, and you go right back to the tell me what I want to hear. And here I'm playing a barred B7. This will take us back to the beginning of the song, because one of the reasons why that I open up with, in their version, it starts right out with an F chord, which is a major chord. So it should call us to play the D in the key of D, right? Through the twilight I can hear the humming of a melancholy tune. But a B minor 7 or a D6 in this case, it's the same chord. It's barred at the 2nd fret. That's all it is 2, 2, 2, 2. It sets us up wonderfully for that 2nd chord above melancholy, which is an A sharp 7. So if we think about our A7 and then we have to sharpen it, we're going to bar it and we're going to make our A7 shape right there. So it's 1, 2, 1, 1. And so if we're making that B minor bar chord there, we go, through the twilight I can hear the humming of a melancholy tune. Ah, the memories that still linger, I thank you, Mr. Moon. So having that D6 kind of gives us that haunting kind of a, through the memories, I thank you, Mr. Moon. And then the major chord, the D there, gives us a sense of completion at the end of the phrase. That's about all I'm going to tell you about the parts of the song. It's not difficult. There is a B in there, which if you know a B flat, you move it up once you have a B. Let's see. I'm just going to play the chorus on that. Go. Here we go. Tubas in the moonlight, playing for me all night. Tell me what I want to hear. Am I only dreaming? Am I only scheming? Stars above me shining brightly. Why can't she be sitting here beside me? Tubas in the moonlight will bring my loved ones home. And right on that D6. Have a great day. Oh, and by the way, go to UkesterBrown.com for the song sheet. On the song sheet page, Tubas in the Moonlight, so it's obviously, it should be under the T's alphabetically for Tubas in the Moonlight at UkesterBrown.com. Have a great day.